Linking your bank account to Crypto.com is essential for seamless transactions and trading. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create or log into your Crypto.com account. Visit the Crypto.com website or open the app. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration process. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Sesrc to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. In the Payment Method section, find and select the option to add a bank account. This will prompt you to enter your bank details. Step 4. Enter your bank information. Fill in the required information, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any issues with linking. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your details, you may need to verify your bank account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Crypto.com into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Crypto.com, allowing you to deposit and withdraw funds easily. Always ensure your account information is secure and up to date.